In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to PostgreSQL from Power BI Desktop. If you're working with data stored in PostgreSQL and want to analyze it in Power BI, this walkthrough will get you connected quickly and confidently. Before we start, make sure you know the server address, the database name you want to work with, and that your account has permission to access it. If you're on an older Power BI desktop build, you may be prompted to install the PostgreSQL provider. Just follow the prompt and restart when asked. With Power BI Desktop open, head to the Home tab and open the Get Data dropdown. From there, choose More to open the full list of connectors. In the search box, type PostgreSQL, then select the PostgreSQL database connector. This brings up a connection window where you'll provide the key details. You'll see fields for server and database, along with a choice for data connectivity mode and some advanced options. For server, enter the host name provided by your administrator. If your database uses a non-default port, append it after a colon, for example, host.port. The database field is optional here. If you leave it blank, you'll be able to browse databases later. Next, choose your data connectivity mode. Import copies the data into your Power BI file for fast performance and full modeling features. Direct Query leaves the data in PostgreSQL and sends queries live, which can be great for near real-time scenarios, but it comes with some modeling and feature limitations. Pick the mode that best fits your refresh and performance needs. If you expand advanced options, you can optionally supply a SQL statement to pre-filter or shape data at the source, and adjust settings like timeouts or encryption requirements if your environment calls for them. Keep in mind that a SQL statement will define exactly what Power BI can access through this connection. When you continue, Power BI will prompt you for authentication. Choose the appropriate method. Most PostgreSQL setups use database credentials, and enter your username and password. Power BI can store these securely for this data source if you allow it. After confirming, Power BI will establish the connection. If it can't reach the server, double-check the server name, confirm network access, and verify that the correct port is open. If you receive credential or encryption errors, confirm your permissions and whether SSL is required by your organization. Once connected, Power BI will display the usual preview so you can proceed with your analysis workflow. That's all there is to it. Simple, clear, and ready for you to start exploring your PostgreSQL data in Power BI Desktop.